The pH diagram example stencil will allow us to show a pressure enthalpy diagram here on our flow sheet for whatever stream we're interested in. So I have here a cascade refrigeration system, and let's go ahead and create a pH diagram. I'm going to drag the stencil out and place it where I want to see it. And when I let go, it will ask me which stream I would like to look at. Looking through my list here, let's just choose stream number 1 for our example. Once I've clicked OK, it will next ask me how many isotherms I would like to graph on my display. And so I'll stick with 5. And then it will ask me how many steps to break this isotherm calculation into, which we can also leave at the default of 25. The next question will ask us for a minimum temperature. And so we can determine the bounds of our graph, or we can leave this blank, and ProMax will just calculate some minimums and maximums for us. So I'm going to leave my minimum temperature blank, and similarly with my maximum temperature, I can choose to leave that blank if I desire. Next, it will ask for a minimum and maximum pressure as well, and this works the same way, where we can put in minimums and maximums if we desire, or we can just leave them blank. So I'll leave them blank, click OK, and leave the maximum blank as well. So once I've answered all these questions, this graph will calculate, and now our diagram will show up on our page. I'll go ahead and make it a little bigger for us. But we can see here we have our pressure versus our molar enthalpy, and we have these 5 different colored lines representing our 5 isotherms. And we'll also see a red dot here in the center. That is displaying what our actual conditions are for this stream. And so now we've generated this pressure enthalpy diagram using this stencil.